In the 90s, you'd ride through here, never see a Harley. Never, ever see a Harley. Now you come through here and it's rare to see a sport bike. I'm pretty confident when we hit Deals Gap, it's going to be some traffic. I'm going to do another video running through Deals Gap. That'll be the next one in line. And again, if you're watching these and there's something you want me to add, just ask. So there's the two fools that we're riding with. They had to stop and pee. I'm sure they weren't speeding to catch up to us. Alright, I'm going to end this video and I'll start the next one with Deals Gap.